Attention please, shark in the water. Everyone out immediately.
Picture this, little feet running through golden sand. That's how the adventure begins. Grab your Opal card, hop on the ferry, and off we go. Destination, Manly Beach. From the water, you see the Opera House, the Harbor Bridge, and Sydney's skyline showing off like it knows it's famous. And then, Manly. Sun's out, volleyball's up, waves rolling in, locals chillin'. Cool water, happy faces, good vibes everywhere. Manly Beach, where Sydney comes to smile.